think my sticker wall needs my emblem on it. What do you think? I think so. Let's go make that today. Come on, let's go. So, my daughter drew me this, and it's apparently Daddy, well, it is Daddy working in his shed, and I love it. It's one of the first things he has drawn for me as a 4-year-old. I love it so much. I've actually changed it into a, what did you call it? A decal, I guess. And that is going to sit there. Or wherever it can go. I mean, it probably goes that way. Anyway. We're going to do a little bit of ink transfer. I'm just going to cut this out with my Forever knife blade. Love it. Go and check this guy out on Instagram. Makes some fantastic knives. Forever knives. Just a reminder, if you're going to do these ink transfers, you get your image that you want to transfer, get on any editing software and reverse your image. And the reason being is once it goes down and yeah, you start rubbing off the paper, you want it the right way up. Anyway, let's get this on here. So I'm using Mod Podge. Probably use a cloth with this, but lucky for me, I've got big hands. Okay, then we're going to let that dry. Then we're going to get to the next bit. Right, we've let this dry for 24 hours. Now to get the paper off. Get off, paper! Come on, get off! Get off! Get off! Come on, get... Oh, that's not working. Oh, how are we going to get this paper off? We'll wet it off. Wet. Make it wet. Make it wet. Not too wet, just wet enough. Yeah, singer and start rubbing. So there, it's on the wood. So there's still a lot of the residue of the paper, so we'll just keep going over it, getting all the paper off. All you're basically doing is just rubbing your finger like this. There we are. Let's just dry and I will show you it in a momento. And there we go, we have it fit. Well, it's done, but it's not quite practical yet. Come here. It's just not quite Australian enough. What would make it more Australian? There we go. Bottle opener. That'll make it more Australian.
The hole's too small. That's a bit better. Put out the New South Wales Victoria. Yes!
That's better. Little bottle opener. I've got my emblem there, and it's going to go up on the sticker wall. Yeah, that's my project for this week. Newborns. They'll keep you out of the shop, but hey, I'm in my shop when I can. I'm sorry I don't have a wood turning this week, as my wood turning project is taking longer than expected. There it is there. I'll get through. There it is, on the lathe, waiting to be turned. So yeah, this is this project for this week. This is going up on the sticker wall behind me. And I'm going to get that one done soon. Probably tonight, if I get a chance. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Stay awesome. Be awesome. And I'm going to say, challenge yourself. If anyone in your life says you can't do that, challenge yourself. Go do it. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. See yous. There's that, I think. Cheers! Thanks for watching.